Hey everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to change the monitor refresh rate on Windows 10. So, let's get started. First, let's get into the display settings. Simply right-click on your desktop. From the menu that pops up, select Display Settings. Now you'll see the general display settings for your PC. Scroll all the way down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Great. We're exactly where we want to be. Look for the refresh rate section. Click the drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of available refresh rates for your monitor. Now, the refresh rates you see depend on your monitor. You might see options over 60 Hz, like 120 Hz, or even higher. And that's it. You've successfully changed your monitor's refresh rate on Windows 10. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.